Shenzhen Samu Electronic Equipment Company Limited. Founded in 2005, a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. Focus on laser technology applications, semiconductor cleaning machine and SMT cleaning equipment, etc. Laser marking products, high-quality marking effect, easy to identify, fast code reading, support CO2, optical fiber, green light, UV etc. Laser, support flip-flap. Adopt high-quality oscillating mirror, grinding grade screw rod, product quality is stable. There are many models to choose from and can also be customized according to customer needs. Samo centrifugal cleaning machine, using to fluid cleaning, has been used in camera module cleaning. PCBA cleaning machine, there are offline PCBA cleaning machine 5600, inline packaging substrate cleaning machine, inline bottom clearance cleaning machine, inline PCBA cleaning machine, etc. 5600 cleaning machine, using fixed spray rod, cleaning, rough rinsing, fine rinsing cleaning processes, high cleaning cleanliness, saving the use of chemical, saving DR water, high cleaning efficiency. Inline cleaning machine, the condensation recovery device is used in the cleaning section, which greatly saves the chemical. The rinsing section adopts overflow mode, which has high cleaning cleanliness. PCBA cleaning machine, offline or inline, can provide DR water machine, and wastewater treatment system, has been applied on a global scale. Traditional stencil cleaning machine, fixture cleaning machine, scraper cleaning machine, suction nozzle cleaning machine, as well as PCB board separator, PCB surface cleaning machine. After many years of R&D improvement and large-scale application verification, the product has high cost performance. Our products are recognized and widely used by Cisco, Foxconn, Jabil, Flextronics, Bosch, Huawei Technology, BYD Group, and other well-known enterprises, and are exported to Southeast Asia, European and American countries. SAM will continue to R&D and service to achieve world-class manufacturing level in order to better serve global customers.